Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start straight away. If Windows still boots, go to Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery to access Advanced Startup. If it won't boot, insert a Windows Recovery USB or enable your PC's recovery partition via the manufacturer key. Make sure power and keyboard are connected. Many systems need a physical USB keyboard during early boot. Once done, we'll trigger the Advanced Startup options so you can choose Troubleshoot and reach the recovery environment. Once you're at the boot options, hold Shift and click Restart to force Advanced Startup, or boot from your USB and pick Repair your computer at the installer screen. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This menu contains Startup Repair, Command Prompt, System Restore, and UEFI firmware settings. Make sure to pick the option that matches your goal. Repair a boot error, roll back drivers, or access safe mode. This gives you targeted tools without reinstalling Windows. Finish by running Startup Repair. It fixes common boot issues automatically. If that fails, use System Restore to revert to a working point, or open Command Prompt to run bootrec commands. Fixember, Fixboot, Rebuild when you understand what each does. If you still can't boot, select Startup Settings and enter Safe Mode to uninstall drivers or roll back updates. One tip: if nothing works, restore from your recovery image or reinstall Windows, but first copy essential files using the command prompt or external media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.